Are you going to brush your teeth, Mama? You want Mama? Yep, I want to watch. Let's watch. Let's see how we brush our teeth.
No.
Brush them like a big girl.
No.
No, we do it at that sink. Are you tired? You're twirling your hair. Okay, brush them like a big girl. Brush your teeth, Mama. Wow, good job. Okay, now Mama's turn. Can you shut the water off? Oh, you're not done. Okay. Okay, all done. Okay, rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth, Mama. You're all done. Go shut the water off. Yep. Tell Daddy I still remember, just like you taught me. And you gonna do what Daddy does? Okay, all done. Good girl.
No.
Yay.
What?
I already watched. You're so mean.
I what?
Fine, you naughty girl.